What we are learning here is that this sabotage incident began in the early hours of Sunday morning. This is one of the vessels affected, an Emirati flag vessel. There are 2 Saudi flag vessels that were affected as well, and 1 Norwegian vessel affected. And what we understand happened here is that a call came in early in the morning indicating that possibly water in the engine room of one of the vessels, and within a couple of hours a total of 4 calls had been registered indicating that something was out of the ordinary with a number of vessels here. Now the Emirati authorities have begun investigating. The initial indications are that this is sabotage. Precisely the nature of that sabotage, precisely who's responsible, exactly what happened isn't clear. This vessel rather, does seem to have a little bit of a list to it at the moment. The back seems to be a little bit lower in the water. The investigation is going on at the moment, and this comes at a very tense time in the Strait of Hormuz here. If you look around here, you can see a lot of ships, perhaps 100 or so more vessels in this area. What we understand is that these 4 vessels, these 4 commercial vessels that were subject to this sabotage, were in different areas in this, what is essentially a huge park, if you will, for vessels to wade up close to the mouth of the Strait of Hormuz. So these vessels that were impacted by the sabotage were not in the same location. And at this time, tensions here are rising. The US battle carrier group, the Abraham Lincoln carrier group, is on the way into the region. Patriot missile battery on the way into the region. B-52 bombers on the way into the region. And of course, the coastline with Iran not far away from here either. And while the Emirati investigation is going on, and it's not clear when it will conclude, the concerns are that this incident, this sabotage incident, can lead to a rise in tensions. And that, of course, is a great worry right now. Nick Robertson, CNN, the Gulf of Oman.